Better Finance, the European Federation of Investors and Financial Services Users, and VZMD, the Pan-Slovenian Shareholders Association, will hold a joint international conference in Bled, Slovenia, on Monday, 13 September 2021, under the auspices of the Slovenian presidency of the Council of the European Union. It will be the most important European user-side event to take place physically since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, and will take a closer look at European capital markets and how they could and should be better adapted to the needs of people and of small and medium enterprises. Participants will discuss the difficulties faced by European individual investors when investing across borders within the EU, and how to ensure they can exercise their shareholders' rights, engage with the companies they are invested in, and promote better and more sustainable long-term corporate governance. We will also examine the state of pensions in Europe and in Slovenia and discuss ways to help EU citizens achieve pension adequacy. We warmly invite you to join us and senior representatives of the European and Slovenian institutions and other key stakeholders in beautiful Bled, and just click on the link below to register now. The teams of Better Finance and VZMD look forward to meeting you in September.